Morning, it's January 25th, 2021. Time for the thing of the day. It's only barely morning. I'm a little later than usual. Sometimes it works that way. Here's a Jesse Winchester song. I think I first heard Emmylou Harris do it. It's called Songbird. Songbird in a golden cage, she'd prefer the blue. How I crave the liquor of her song. Poor bird who has done no harm, what harm could she do? She shall be my prisoner her life long. My songbird wants her freedom. Now don't you think I know, but I can't find it in myself to let my songbird go. I just can't let her go. Oh Lord, when your jeweler's eye peers into my soul, oh Lord, I am overcome with shame. Take me, Lord, and purify, heal me with a word. Lord, I beg a gift I dare not claim. My songbird wants her freedom. Now don't you think I know, but I can't find it in myself to let my songbird go. No, I just can't let her go. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a good day.